Ancient Egyptian healing secrets. Imagine with me that you go back in time more than 3,000 years ago to the era of the Pharaohs, when the ancient Egyptian civilization flourished in all its fields, including medicine. Despite the simplicity of the tools and technology available at that time, the ancient Egyptians were able to develop a wide range of treatments and medicines, some of which still amaze us to this day. One of the medical prescriptions that has amazed modern scientists is a recipe for treating wounds and burns. This recipe consists of a mixture of honey, yogurt, and aloe vera leaves. These ingredients may seem simple, but they contain powerful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. What makes this recipe unique? Antimicrobial effectiveness. Honey, yogurt, and aloe vera leaves contain natural compounds that kill bacteria and germs, which helps prevent infection and promote the healing process. Anti-inflammatory properties. These ingredients help reduce inflammation and swelling of wounds and burns, which speeds up the healing process. Moisturizing the skin. These ingredients moisturize and renew the skin, which helps prevent the formation of scars, so it is suitable as a mask to moisturize the face and give it freshness. How was this recipe discovered? This recipe was discovered through the study of ancient Egyptian medical papyri, which contained various medical recipes and treatments. Evidence was also found of the use of these ingredients in mummifying mummies, indicating the ancient Egyptians' belief in their therapeutic properties. Why does this recipe surprise us to this day? This recipe surprises us because it relies on simple natural ingredients, but it is highly effective in treating wounds and burns. It also precedes modern antimicrobial drugs by more than 3,000 years. This indicates the extent of the progress of ancient Egyptian civilization in the field of medicine, and the wisdom of the ancient Egyptians in exploiting the natural resources available to them. Can this recipe be used in the modern era? Yes, this recipe can be used in the modern era to treat minor wounds and burns, but caution must be exercised and the ingredients used must be clean. It is also advisable to consult a doctor before using any prescription, especially if you suffer from any chronic medical condition. Finally, the honey, yogurt, and aloe vera recipe is a great example of how advanced the ancient Egyptian civilization was in the field of medicine. This recipe reminds us of the importance of taking advantage of natural resources, and that wisdom and knowledge are timeless. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in the next video. Goodbye.